Let's be a free spirit and celebrate the festival of colors with vibrant shades of ink. Let's share the joy of writing through standout lines of poetry and prose. This is Sindhu Nandakumar, Creative Director at Innovative Authors International Forum, wishing each one of you a happy and prosperous Holi. In this festive occasion, Innovative Authors International Forum brings to you our third anthology named Baate and Kahi. This is a beautiful collection of 62 Hindi verses written by 15 poets. Baate and Kahi is available online in most of the popular bookstalls like Amazon, Kindle, Goodreads, and Literature Lights, online bookstore starting from today. You can order it online and it will be delivered at your doorsteps. So do check out the link below, grab your copy and send us a review. We would always love to hear from you. It's your support and love for literature that has nurtured our passion to write. So please keep supporting us the same way. The journey of IAIF since its inception has been magical. Yes, it's right. I can't find a better word than magical. For we published our first anthology named Musings last November 2020. It included more than 100 English poems from writers all across the globe. And you know what? We broke the sales of all the anthologies published in 2020 in the first 2 months itself. Isn't it great? All thanks to you, our dear readers, and the energetic team behind it. To celebrate this joy, we had the online Musings Festival for an entire month where we shared poetic bites from our book Musings and author talks. Following the success of Musings, to support local language publication, we came up with a second anthology in Malayalam, named Vadayanangal, in the month of February 2021. The month of February was tagged the Vadayanangal festival to appreciate and narrate the poems included in the book. And now, in the month of April 2021, we are here launching our third anthology in Hindi named Baate and Kahi. We could not have done this without your support. A big thank you for that. At this juncture, I would like to thank and express my gratitude to author Vibha Narasimhan, editor of Baate and Kahi, who supported our team throughout the selection, editing, and publication of this book. Thanks a lot, dear Vibha. You are a true gem. It's said that the book should not be judged by its cover, but Bate and Kahi has a beautiful cover painted by our art director Shweta Jain, which speaks out the glory of the lines within. I love the way you sketch and paint, dearest Shweta. It's a blessing to have such a talented hand as our art director. And let me remind our readers that the interior of Bate and Kahi holds many beautiful sketches done by Miss Shweta and Ritima Jain, who keeps astounding me with her works of art. Thanks to author Williams G. Mavili, our editorial director at IAIF, author Pankuri Sinha, for the well written forward and literature lights for all their support they have given us during the publishing. As I express my regards and gratitude to the entire team behind this, I don't want to leave out the great writers whose lines have added grace and meaning to Bate and Kahi. The book would not have come into being without your creative lines. Keep writing, dear writers, and let's keep inspiring the world through many more words of poetry and prose. Wishing a safe and colorful year ahead. Signing off, this was Sindhu Nandakumar, Creative Director at Innovative Authors International Forum. Thank you.